bigger than it looks, not a drive-by. This 4-bedroom home has been handsomely updated from top to bottom. Featuring a fantastic location in the heart of the desired West Side neighborhood, you will love this walkable community within walking distance of several restaurants, coffee shops, daycare, and more. Enter to a large living room featuring refinished hardwood flooring and built-in cabinetry. The hardwood floors carry into the formal dining room, which features an original built-in cabinet. The updated kitchen includes freshly painted newer oak cabinets, brand new appliances, and a functional design. You will love the second living room in the back of the house with a slider to the backyard and first-floor laundry. The bathroom has also been totally renovated with new marble flooring, resurfaced bathtub, fresh paint, and more. 4 bedrooms and tons of storage complete this home. Other updates include a new roof on the garage, new plumbing, new carpet, and fresh paint throughout the house, brand new windows, restored hardware, and more. Ready to move in.